Talk to me, y'all. Let's get it.
Silently gon' tiptoe around you. Silently gon' walk past your mama's door. Silently only trick my absent father. Talk to me as he walked on out the door. Finally I spent my youth routinely. So finally, innocence was torn away. So finally, I suppressed all I was feeling. Oh, yeah. Finally, the man took me away. I've been stepping lightly through it all. Never hearing anybody's call, yeah.
It's real.
Yeah. I've been stepping lightly through it all.
Keep it moving, family.
Alright. Never hearing anybody's call, yeah.
Shit is official, Lord.
Oh, now I got to say, yeah.
They need some food, Lord. I got you, kid. Yo, nothing to lose. Mentality is beastly. Raised amongst the most ferocious. Life wasn't easy. Slinging them stones, banging them toasters. Nobody cares. Neither did I, cause my father left me to fry in this hell of a world with stray bullets to snipe ya. Generals look for soldiers with hearts so they can stripe ya. Dirty dope fiends, that's evil. They got the needle twitch. Veins are polluted, they zooted, dozing off of that fix. Matilda nephew Lavelle, he turned states on his kingpin kid a couple of months back. She ain't seen him since. I guess he caught a bad deal. He grew up to follow the code, but once that code is broken, that's the end.